1940 was definitely the highlight of the year for Germany. Germany successively defeated several European countries, including the strong military power of France. At this time, Germany was inevitably overconfident, and many Germans held an optimistic attitude towards the war, believing that Germany would quickly end the war and begin to restore production and establish a new world centered around Berlin. In addition to various splendid buildings and orderly planned cities in the new society, consideration was also given to the necessary transportation vehicles. Among them, the Bv-144 was a conceptual future commercial airliner proposed by the German Lufthansa company and discussed with the Blohm & Voss company in 1940. Due to the wartime situation, Blohm & Voss needed to prioritize military equipment manufacturing, so they sought assistance from the French Breguet company. In fact, most of the design work was done by designers from the Breguet company. The design of the Bv-144 was forward-thinking. It was an all-metal, cantilevered monoplane with a weight of 7,900 kilograms. The shape of the fuselage was quite unique, resembling the design of a fastback car. When viewed from the side, the entire bottom of the fuselage appeared as a straight line, while the transition from the top of the fuselage to the tail curved downward, allowing the horizontal mounting position of the tail to be lower than the main wing. The vertical tail was a dual vertical tail structure, which Germany was proficient in. The aircraft used an advanced variable incidence wing, with the main wing capable of proper deflection around a tubular wing spar under the action of an electric motor, with a deflection range of 9 degrees. The pilot could adjust the wing angle of attack in special situations such as low-speed landings to change the wing lift. In theory, this aircraft had very good flight performance. The wing also had flaps for assistance, and the aircraft was equipped with a hot air de-icing system on the wings, generating hot air by burning fuel and distributing it through pipelines to various parts of the wings and tail. Providing power for this aircraft were two BMW 801 14-cylinder air-cooled engines, each producing nearly 1,600 horsepower. The propeller was a variable-pitch 3-blade metal propeller. The Bv-144 could reach a maximum flight speed of 470 kilometers, a maximum altitude of 9,100 meters, and a maximum range of 1,550 kilometers. The Bv-144 had a 3-person crew, including a pilot/co-pilot and a radio operator. The aircraft had 2 small cargo compartments and a passenger cabin, with a capacity of 18 passengers. By sacrificing some cargo, the maximum passenger capacity could be increased to 23. In consideration of the needs of commercial air transport, the aircraft was also equipped with a toilet. Lufthansa was very satisfied with the design of the Bv-144 and ordered 2 prototype aircraft in 1941, which were manufactured by the French Breguet company. Due to the war, the production of the prototype aircraft was repeatedly delayed and was not properly prepared until the later stages of World War II. It is reported that one of the prototype aircraft was confiscated by the French military and even became General de Gaulle's private aircraft for a time, while the whereabouts of the other aircraft remain unknown. From the perspective of the time, the Bv-144 was definitely a very good commercial aircraft, and if it had been born in peacetime, it would have contributed to the development of commercial aviation. Unfortunately, it was born during wartime.